Title of this one is this one, di ba? It's super spicy. But kailangan ko siyang ubusin. But the good things they have, it's a little bit cheesy, more cheesy, and a little bit like a sweet or something like honey. Wow, sarap. Lami ba? And we have the water. Wow. I think okay na ako nito. Sarap. Naubos ko siya. And then, the water. Mega big shout out to everyone. Yes, magandang morning. Ganda naman sa akin na yan. That's my dream. It's buong pamilya. Pwede nang dalhin na sa loob. Yes, pwede ka rin magnegosyo sa loob. Pwede ka rin mag-vlog. Yes, tara mga Jafika, today is very special. Di kauwi ko lang ng aking bahay. Just all video for today is, alam niyo naman, right here in Korea, trending yung kanilang mga ramyun. So, I'm gonna check again.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you're pushing my
yung mga hindi ko pa nakain sa na ramen. If you are new on my channel, you can subscribe, leave comment down below. Yes, ang ganda ng panahon. Oh my god, why is so cold? I feel like a winter right now. So that's all my do is I'm gonna go at the convenience store na favorite ko. And this is a beautiful car too. Oh, but it's alright. I cannot afford that because I'm only 4. Because there are 5. Yes, wow. Imagine that ang mga bahay in here. Ang mga lalaki left to the right. And of course, mga yayamanin. And of course, tayo ay 3 lamang. But it's alright, no matter what happened. Always remember, behind the clouds, there's a plane. May sibi ko, patiyawag ka, pasiwag ko. Ano nga sa'yo? Ang laban na to. Yes, ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayamanan wherever we go. So just all we do, we gonna go in there para makakain tayo ng noodles. And of course, tama is a little bit cold up, like to eat some spicy food. Bakit na nga ba tayo ng ibang bansa? Siyempre, para kumita ng pera. Bakit na nga ba tayo lumayo sa ating family? And of course, para kumita ng pera. Kung marami nga lang ba tayong pera, bakit nga ba hindi? Diba? At hindi na tayo lalayo sa ating family. Parang kailan lang. Eto na, so just all we do, we gonna go sa ating paboritong inconvenience store. Hala, hiningil ba ako? Uy! Right here, I saw yung paborito kong ramen eh. It's a pink. Oh, this one is like 1,500 won. I saw this one, so we gonna try. So bayaran natin. So we need something water to, so bayaran na natin kay DC. Wow, ang dami ng beverage in here. So this audio is bayaran na natin ito. Thank you. Yeah, so mga Jafika, this one is I put already like hot water, and of course, eto, at bumili na rin ako ng water. So just all mga do is we gonna go some places at kakain tayo sa labas. Especially my imaginary friend. There is, yes, nandito tayo ngayon sa labas. Meron tayong gym light. Usap na natin ng konti. Imagine that, eto, ang isang ginagap sa water. I put already the water. This one, we call this carbo samyang ramyun. Wow. So this all we do. Eto, meron akong chopstick, charan, and the chopstick. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng konting ganyan lang. Yes, para kakain na po tayo. Maganda kami mag-fall sa inyong lahat. And of course, kung angel, itutusok na natin in here. This one, and of course, para wow, it's really good. And of course, we're gonna throw the water because we steam yung kanyang noodles sa kapa. Diba? Mabuhay po kayong lahat. At sa po natin mga Java Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ito, samahan niyo naman ako. Of course, syempre, kumain tayo sa labas. We need to treat ourselves. And of course, to release stress and about everything. And of course, right now, we're gonna put ang kanyang, this one, ang kanyang, what you call, the flavor. Yes, kung wala kasing flavor na magic, and of course, walang sarap. So just we're gonna put in there kasi, I think this one is really good, spicy. And this kasi, and this one is like a, oh, I smell like something like a cheesy. Alright, that's all we do. We're gonna start. At nakakain na tayo dito sa loob. Kain na tayo. So may magdadaan. Okay, so right, that's all we do. Eto, kain na tayo mga kong kaibigan. Diba? Imagine that. This is really good. Yes, like a couple days ago, is nakita ko kasi na trending ito. Wow, may bago. So this all we're gonna eat this one. And I have the water. Meron water and I know this one's right really like this spicy. You know like, why this one is maybe like a little bit like a cheesy. But it's okay. Well, thank you. It's really good. I think like, and I smell. It smell like I don't know. It's like -5 or something like double, triple 5 spicy. So this one we're gonna try. Hindi ko kasi alam na nag-trending, and this one is really good. But we're gonna go find out. Siyempre ang iyong bite. Ang ating bite is para sa inyo. Ito na mga kaibigan. Sana ako minagmamahalan. Maghiwalay din sila. Okay, we're gonna try. Ito na ang ating. Oh my god. This one is all cheesy. At masarap siya. But this one is really like more, but expensive. No, not expensive. More spicy. Like a samyang. But I like spicy. But it's cheesy. Really good. Ito ng flavor na. Guess what? Ito, di ba? At we need some water. Buti nila may natira pa ako. Imagine that. I have only coins. Di ba? Sealed na sealed naman itong tubig. Parang ayaw magpainom. Ano ba yun? Uy, ang anghang. Imagine that this one is almost like times 5 ang anghang niya. We need some water. Kaya ganda ng panahon kung and take note. Wala akong kadate, kundi ikaw ang kadate ko. Yes, ikaw na nanood. Ikaw nangangarap. Yes, ikaw nangangarap na
There's nowhere to hide.
goes to fulfill our dream. We need to do more effort and we need to invest. We need to invest ourselves. Pwede natin exercise, nice food, and physically and mentally health, di ba? Kaya natin palakasin ang ating mentally health, di ba? Pag hindi na ko hanapin ko si Crispin, hanapin ko si Brasilia, ikain mo na lang ng noodles. Imagine that, like 2 a.m. in the morning, nag-gravy ako, and of course, noodles na manghang pa. I like kasi this one eh. This one like a super trend noodles in here. And the title of this one is this one, di ba? It's super spicy. But kailangan ko siyang ubusin. But the good thing is they have it's a little bit cheesy, more cheesy, and a little bit like a sweet or something like honey. Wow, sarap. Lami ba? And we have the water. Wow. I think okay na ako nito. Sarap. Naubos ko siya. And then, the water. So liligpit na lang natin ito mga kaibigan. And of course, we're gonna going back home. Alright, thank you po so much sa inyo pong lahat. So, magandang morning. Behind the scenes. Kaya ganda po ng panahon at at maganda ka pa sa panahon. The weather is so good, the weather is so nice, and of course I like the LED light in here. And of course, ito ang ating place. Kumain na tayo sa labas. Meron pang team light. Mula sa bansang Korea, this year, Korea Angel, never try to share my story. Ang ating the samyang. It's cheesy, very spicy noodles. Subscribe, leave comment down below. Paalam po.